Smoky Quartz, a mesmerizing gemstone, has captured the hearts of gem enthusiasts and crystal healers alike. Known for its mysterious allure and unique properties, this translucent variety of quartz is adored for both its aesthetic appeal and spiritual significance. In this video, we delve into the origins, characteristics, and metaphysical properties of smoky quartz. Origins and appearance. Smoky quartz derives its name from its smoky brown to gray color, ranging from pale to dark hues. It is a variety of quartz, composed of silicon dioxide, which is one of the most abundant minerals on Earth. The smoky coloration is caused by natural radiation exposure during its formation, often combined with traces of aluminum or other elements. This beautiful gemstone is primarily found in Brazil, the United States, Switzerland, Madagascar, and Scotland. Aesthetic appeal and jewelry use. Due to its captivating color and transparency, smoky quartz is a popular choice for jewelry. Gem cutters skillfully shape it into various cuts, including faceted, cabochon, and beads, to enhance its brilliance. It is often used in rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings, lending a touch of elegance and sophistication to any ensemble. The gem's neutral tones make it a versatile accessory, complementing both casual and formal attire. Metaphysical properties. Beyond its enchanting appearance, smoky quartz holds significant metaphysical properties that have attracted believers in crystal healing. Here are some of its purported benefits. 1. Grounding and protection. Smoky quartz is believed to ground and anchor one's energy to the earth, fostering stability and balance. It is thought to shield against negative energies, providing a protective barrier around its bearer. 2. Emotional healing. This gemstone is associated with emotional healing and stress relief. It is said to dissipate feelings of fear, anxiety, and depression, promoting a sense of calmness and emotional well-being. 3. Enhancing intuition. Smoky quartz is thought to heighten intuition and improve decision-making skills. It aids in clearing mental fog and facilitates better concentration and focus. For purification, the stone is believed to purify the environment it is placed in, removing negative energies and promoting positivity and harmony. 5. Root chakra alignment. In chakra healing, smoky quartz is often associated with the root chakra, located at the base of the spine. It is believed to help balance and align this chakra, fostering a sense of security and connection to the earth. Smoky quartz stands as a testament to the remarkable beauty and metaphysical properties found within the earth's treasures. Its enchanting color, combined with its grounding and protective qualities, have made it a cherished gemstone in both the world of jewelry and crystal healing. Whether you seek its alluring appearance or its spiritual significance, smoky quartz remains a timeless and meaningful gemstone that continues to capture the hearts of those who encounter its mystique.